Tiali imofanti ni Diego wan nielis in Monahuatla Machtica. Hi everyone, I'm Diego and I'm going to be your Nahuatl teacher. Many of you may or may not know that I recently posted something on my both on Facebook and on Instagram announcing to the world that I was gonna have live online Nahuatl courses. And I was not expecting the amount of response that I got. Literally, I got about 400 messages. I mean, people were jumping mountains, crossing rivers, freaking digging caves just to send me messages. Okay, I'm exaggerating. They didn't really do that. But the point is this, there is a huge amount of interest out there for people to learn Nahuatl. I was actually very happily surprised that so much enthusiasm out there exists. And because I got so much requests, I know that I'm going to hit the limit of 100 people on the Zoom meeting. So what I'm gonna do is I'm opening up 2 more slots. So I'm gonna continue having the Wednesdays at 7 p.m. Pacific time slot, where I'll do a live Nahuatl class, but I will also be having one at on Thursdays at 7 p.m. and Fridays at 7 p.m. So I hope that a lot of you can get inspired and commit to that time. And if you're not able to enter the class because maybe we reached capacity, well then I will still record the sessions and I will allow them to be publicly available. I think that we're at a point in time where there's so much interest in learning the language, and yet we don't have the resources, or we don't have easily readily available resources. So because of that, I'm gonna allow this to be on my YouTube channel, freely available. I will not charge, obviously, since it does take some energy. I highly appreciate donations, but I want this to be available because the world needs this. We need to learn all this information. I'm a testament of what can be done if you commit yourself to something. I started back in 2013, barely able to pronounce Nahuatl, but here I am now. I'm able to have a genuine one-on-one conversation just in Nahuatl. So if I can make it happen, you can make it happen. So definitely, if you're interested, just send me your name and your email through direct message on my Facebook or my Instagram. My handles are Paquiliztli, Paquiliztli. Find me on those 2 social media networks and show me your interest and let me know. I'm very excited. Let's do this.